and the little boy was never seen again. Ah!
What on earth are you three doing in here?
Just trying to have a little spooky story time. What are you doing over there?
Yeah, come sit with us. I know one about a girl with no head that's really gonna scare the pants off you.
No thanks. I have a lot of stuff to do today, and...
Ooh, perfect. The power's out, and that means this will be extra creepy. Here, come sit with me.
Oh, fine. This sounds good.
Oh boy, and after this, we can do everything else on my rainy day bucket list.
Your what?
Oh, look, the power's back on.
I guess it is. You guys want to go bake some cookies?
Yes, let's go!